Hey guys, check this out, another Amazon package. I absolutely love getting Amazon packages. And yeah, let's check out what I got this time. And I think this is going to be really useful. I have a nail trimmer already, but this is a different style of nail trimmer. And it is an electric nail grinder. So check this out. From YABIFE. I'm not sure if that's how I'm pronouncing it correctly, but let's check this thing out. Probably gonna have to charge it, but it's designed a little differently than what I'm used to using. So pull this out. So it looks like it's a USB-C to charge this thing. What's cool, USB-C comes with a cap. And then, as you see, it has a guard that goes over the cap. So that way, you don't have to worry about your pet's nails. So it has like a guard over it. So it has a light. And then, oh, there we go. So it has different speeds. So 1, 2, 3, and then you have to hold it, the power button, to turn it on and off. And you've got the light if you need it. And what it comes with is it comes with this. It's kind of cool because it has a cap that doesn't easily just come off. So you can portably carry this with you when you travel and not have to worry about it. It comes with a cleaning brush. It comes with the USB to USB-C charger. It comes with an extra wheel, a grinder. And then, what's really cool is it also comes with the nail clippers with the guard. So it has everything you need to trim your dog's nails or your cat or pet's nails. So you can snip them if they're long and then grind them down, or grind them down all the way from when they're large. It's up to you, whatever you prefer. But let's go check this out. Forgot to show this. Yes, that's another reason why to buy something like this. Lifetime warranty. And obviously the user manual. Now let's check it out.
Medium. And this is high. Oh, actually it's really nice though. It's very quiet. It's not like as loud as, you know.
It's not as loud as the one we're used to.
Yeah, and it really do the work. I think it is really good for Pepper because Pepper doesn't really like a loud noise, scares her, like anxiety. But this one, she's like,
didn't care at all. Right?
She doesn't really care. And the good thing is there's a light, so you could really see what you're doing.
Yeah, you can actually see on the camera. It's allowing it.
So this is the smooth head. We have the rough one. They recommend the rough one for the big dog, for the large dog. So our Pepper is a Rottweiler, so I will probably have to use the change it.
Alright, so I wanted to show you guys, this is supposed to be able to just pull right off, which now it does, but the very first time it wouldn't pull off and just come right out to swap the two different heads. But I had to use a little screwdriver and pry it off. The first time it didn't break it at all, but now it just comes on and off really easily. Hey guys, I just want to show you that this is for a small dog, the side. This top is for a medium dog, and then this you just take off, and that's for a large dog, which is ours. So if you saw from the video, absolutely love this thing. It works great. It's very small, portable, uses to travel, makes it really nice. You don't have to worry about it getting damaged or anything like that. Obviously, because large dog, we keep this off. We put the, there's two different grinder heads on it. There's this rough one. So if you're trying to really, like, she had really long nails, so I needed to put this on there. And then there's this small one that's smooth, so once you're done using the rough one, you can kind of smooth out the edges better. It's a little bit softer on the nail for the small one. So if you're trying to grind it down and get rid of a lot. I don't like using nail cutters on my dog's nails just because you have a chance, especially bigger dogs and they have black nails, you can't exactly see where their quick is. So it makes it really difficult to cut. So we just kind of grind them down. And yes, I know her nails were really, really long, and it took us a while using this, or any grinder. It takes a really long time sometimes if you let them grow too long. We were kind of slacking a little bit, but we rather do it ourselves than pay someone. And it's really easy to do. This makes it really simple. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Check this out. There's a link in the video description. It's just worth every penny, and it's really inexpensive. So again, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and comment below what you think, and then also what other videos. I have tons of them to check them out, tons of reviews, tons of different unboxings. Check them out. Bye.